Connect the machine to the power. Turn on the machine. 1. Replace blade. Remove the blade holder as shown in the video. Press the top of the blade holder, wrap the old blade with cloth, and remove it. Take out the new blade. Wrap the new blade with cloth. Press the top of the blade holder and invert it. Install the new blade into the holder as shown in the video. Note: invert and press the top of the blade holder several times to ensure proper installation. Adjust the blade scale according to cutting needs. Install the blade holder with the new blade into the machine as shown in the video. 2. Settings. Go to Settings to connect the machine to Wi-Fi. Display connected when Wi-Fi connection is successful. Change the language on the machine display in language. Adjust the time zone in time zone. Update the machine system and check update. Power off or restart the machine in power. Check the version in About. Click the refresh button to refresh the home page. Return to home. The first icon under the send number allows you to view information about this machine. The second icon under the send number can unbind this device. Don't click it unless necessary. The third icon below the send number can be used to view the cutting data of the machine. 3. Add cutting times. The icon under the film code count allows you to add cutting times to this machine. Scratch off the consumable verification code on the back of the packaging box. Enter the consumable verification code into the machine to add counts. The system will trigger the alert remaining cutting times are running out. Please pay attention at the cutting interface when the remaining cutting count reaches 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please add cutting times in time. 4. Film cutting. Click the icon on the right side of the machine screen panel. Click the first icon to enter category. Click the second icon to enter search. Previous search information will be listed below the search bar. Click the third icon to enter light. Click the fourth icon to enter history to view the models that have been cut. Click the fifth icon to enter custom to customize cutting. Search for the device model you want to cut. Click the icon to save the model. For the model, choose to cut the screen protector or back film. It allows selection of cutting sizes, S and M. The machine can cut film sizes, L, M, and S. When feeding the film, please note, the right end should be aligned with the edge of the machine, and the left side should be aligned with the dotted line of the size mark. Place the film inside the machine, according to the arrow indication on the film. The machine has an automatic film feed sensor. The machine will automatically feed the film. To eject the film, press the power button on the side of the machine. Select the desired cutting template. Click Begin to begin cutting. The cutting times decreases by 1 after cutting. Five. Connect to phone skin printer. Turn on the phone skin printer. Click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Enter the printer connection page. Press the button on the back of the printer 3 times to enter network configuration. Enter the sticker printer connection page. The send number must match the connected sticker printer. Note: the Wi-Fi for network configuration must be the same as the one connected to the Mini ZV2. Select the machine with the corresponding MAC address. Binding successful. The send number and available printing times are displayed on the home page. Click the second icon under the send to unbind the printer. Click the icon under the printing times to add counts. Scrape the consumable verification code on the packaging box and enter it. Recharge successful. Scroll down to view historical recharge records. The available printing times on the home page increases accordingly. Scan the QR code on the printer with your phone to place an order. Click the icon on the right side of the machine screen panel. Find the corresponding order number. Click Begin to print. Peel off the release film of the matte cover at the dotted end. Use the non-adhesive end for positioning. And make sure the protective cover has covered the whole phone skin paper. Tap the middle part of the sticky end, and firmly press down with the scraper. Lift the matte cover, hold the bottom with your hand and push forward with the scraper card. Peel off the dashed section on the right. Peel off the film from the surface of the cutting mat. According to the arrow, pick up the covered sticker. Align it with the dotted line above in the position of the phone camera. Insert it into the cutting machine. Click to cut the back film. Note: cutting from the to-cut section will not affect the cutting times of the plotter. Select the desired cutting template. Cutting completed. The cutting times of the plotter remains unchanged. The printer count on the home page decreases by 1. The cutting times of the plotter on the home page remains unchanged. Remove the phone skin paper as shown in the video. Lift the end of the sticker and open the release layer to 3 cm. Use the scissors to cut out the positioning line. Fix the sticker by positioning at the bottom. Follow the video installing the sticker with the scraper card. If you need to cut back films with patterns for repeated models, find the corresponding order number. Enter the order print interface and select to cut. There are 2 ways to power off the machine. Method 1: settings power shutdown. Method 2: press and hold the power button on the side of the machine. Tap shutdown on the machine screen. The machine will enter shutdown state.